Hi children, how are you? Fine, good. Today's story is Dance of the Sound. Funny, isn't it? Yes, this story is dedicated to my father. One afternoon, my father was roaming around in the South Mumbai's busy area. It was hot and so he wanted to have some juice and he went in the juice parlor. When he was having juice, he could hear a irritating noise, and that noise was making him so much irritated. Some machinery was making some noise. At that time he saw the person next to him was also very sad and gloomy. My father thought, we used to call him Anna, he thought that that person is sad because of this irritating noise, and so he said, "Hey you, are you getting irritated because of that noise?" He said, "Yes." And understood that the person was angry, but still he continued. "Do you know of what is this sound?" "That sound is of some machinery." Now the person started looking at my father. See, every machine or a machine system has its natural frequency. Every object has. And if some vibration matches the natural frequency of the system's vibration, say, amplitude increases a lot. And when that amplitude increases, there is a noise. And because of that, so if of any system, any vibration is near to its natural resonance or natural vibration, then the amplitude or the magnitude of the vibration increases tremendously. Now that person asked my father, "Do you have some knowledge about these things?" Anna smiled and said, "Yes, I can tell you one of my experiences. Almost 20 years back, I had been on a foreign land in a factory, and in that plant, one of the machines was making much noise. It was vibrating and making so much noise that the whole plant had got irritated. When I went there, within 1 day or two itself, it was impossible for me to bear that noise. I asked someone, why don't we fix this problem? Then many people told that it had been tried upon, but the problem had not got resolved. Now after 1 2 days, I got so irritated that I went to the plant manager, and asked him for the permission to try to solve the problem. The manager first smiled and said, "Okay, try." And I went over there. I had been observing that machine for last 3 4 days, and I knew what I wanted to do. And I tried some adjustments and did some of the things which I wanted to do, and tried it for 2 to 3 hours. I worked on the machine. And I still remember the time when I was going to start the machine, to switch on the machine. And that time, suddenly, all people from the plant started surrounding me. All of them gathered over there. It was such a tense moment for me to switch on the machine. And I switched on the machine. Once I switched on the machine started smoothly and silently. For 2 to 3 minutes, there was complete silence. That silence is still in my ears after 20 years. I cannot forget that moment. And then everyone started dancing, hooray! And everyone was dancing. They picked me up on the shoulders and danced. Someone from outside came and asked, "Why? What has happened? What's this dance for?" And one person replied, "Dance of the sound." That was one of the most memorable moment in my life. As my father narrated, the person was listening to him. It was very new for him to hear about the machine frequency and all. But he asked him, "Can you come along with me?" My father went along with him. They went to a nearby place from where that noise was coming. That place was in an old construction, and the machines were making so much irritating noise, and even the structure of the building was slightly vibrating. My father could understand that. And then the person said, "I am owner of this workshop, and because of this noise, the neighborhood has complained about me that I have to first reduce this sound and vibrations, or I will have to leave the place. Can you help me out?" My father said, "Okay, let me observe and let me think over it if I can help you out." And he sat over there for half an hour without doing anything. He just observed all those machines. Do you know, children, what those machines were? That was actually a diamond cutting or polishing factory. And the machines, on that machines, the workers were polishing the diamonds. Diamonds, though we find them beneath the earth, they have to be polished and cut so that they give us the glitter and shine which we see as a diamond. So that factory was of diamond cutting factory. Father observed for half an hour and then asked one of the worker to get some plate or something done from the fabricator. When that plate came, he fixed the plate and then loosened some of the nuts. They had tightened everything so that to reduce the sound, actually he just released some of the, for a bit by bit, little bit nuts, and released the tension and then switched on the machine. The machine started operating silently. Now here also all workers were so happy, they started clapping. And someone asked, "But what was it?" And the owner said, "Dance of the sound."